Hi everyone, this is Anne. I have been on the hunt for the best liquid blush for a very long time and I have finally found it. I thought I would do a quick review for you and also do a demonstration on how I apply it for all day wear. I love liquid blush because it gives the most natural flush to your skin. It's a very youthful look. It's not a heavy, cakey makeup look, yet the color is buildable, and it's just such a pretty, natural glow to your skin. My very favorite liquid blush is by Daniel Sandler. This is the Watercolor blush. This is not a sponsored video. This is just my very favorite liquid blush that I've ever used, and I wanted to share it with you. This is the most long-wearing blush that I've ever tried and the most natural looking. And I haven't found it in stores yet, only online. I will put links beneath this video down in the description box and also in the first pinned comment of some stores that do sell this blush. It comes in 16 different color shades, and one of the links I'll put below, I believe that they sell to all different countries, so that will be below, and I'll mark it all countries just so you know in case you don't live in the United States. You should be able to get your hands on these no matter where you're at. These are oil-free, they are water-based, they're buildable, they're for all skin types, and they are also waterproof. Liquid blush is really easy to apply. Some people prefer to just use their fingers to apply it. I like to use a small brush to apply it, and I'll go ahead and show you how I do that now. I already applied my blush to this side of my face, so now I'm going to do a demonstration for you of how I apply this on the other side of my face. And I'm taking the color Flush. You want to give the blush a good shake before you apply it. And then I just apply 1 or 2 drops to the back of my hand. And it's best to go with a lighter application because you can always build it up. And so you don't want to go in too heavy right away. Then I take a small brush and I just get the blush on the brush, and I like to apply my blush on the apples of my cheeks. I don't smile while I apply it because when you smile it lifts up your cheek, and then when you're not smiling the blush sometimes is lower than you want it. So I just like to apply mine without smiling so that I get it exactly where I want it. And all I do is I use stippling type of motion. I don't wipe the brush along my skin because that might thin it out a little bit too much. So I just stipple it on where I want it. And then after I've stippled it on, I go in with a small makeup sponge, and you can use any makeup sponge you have, and I just press it into the skin. And then I blend it all out at the very end of application. You can also use multiple color shades if you want to have a more custom color. So I'm going to apply a drop of Angel as well. And again, you just shake it up before you apply it. And then I just place a drop on the back of my hand. And I apply it in the same way with the same brush. I also like to run my blush over the bridge of my nose a little bit. I think that this gives a nice healthy look to the skin. Next, I go in with my sponge and just press that second color into my skin. After I have stippled the blush color onto my cheeks and pressed it in with a makeup sponge, I blend the edges with just a blush brush that's angled. And again, I don't wipe the brush along my skin. I use more of a stippling type of dabbing motion to blend it. If you've tried this watercolor blush, I would love to hear from you down in the comments section on what your favorite color shade is and also your favorite application technique. I hope you enjoyed this review and seeing how I like to apply this liquid blush. Thank you so much for watching.